Hi friends, welcome to Melt and Pour soap making series at Terra Naturals. This series is a step-by-step guide that teaches you how to create customized soap using pre-made soap bases with creative techniques for adding natural ingredients. Hibiscus Melt and Pour soap is a customizable natural soap base infused with nourishing properties of hibiscus, offering gentle cleansing and skin softening benefits. Hibiscus soap is known for its ability to gently cleanse the skin while promoting hydration, improving skin texture, and providing natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. For 1 kg of soap base, you need 20 grams of hibiscus powder and 10 ml of essential oil of your choice. Let's get started. Here I am taking 1 kg of goat milk soap base. Chop the soap base into small pieces like this. Add the chopped base into a vessel and double boil it. For 1 kg of the soap base, I am adding 20 grams of hibiscus powder. Once the soap base melts, add the powder and mix it well. Then add your favorite essential oils. I am adding lavender essential oil about 10 ml. Sterilize the soap molds with a rubbing alcohol. Now pour the hibiscus soap mixture into the mold. Now spray some rubbing alcohol on the top of the soap mixture to avoid the bubbles. After a few minutes, unmold the soaps. The hibiscus soaps are fully prepared, offering a soothing lather and the gentle, natural benefits of hibiscus for your skin. Thank you for watching.
Plain goat milk with essential oils.